On November the 14th, 2023, Voyager 1 suddenly fell silent. This was caused by corrupted code on one of its chips. To fix the problem, the team made a decision to reallocate the code to other sections of the onboard computer's memory.
Okay, let's try reallocating the code to the unaffected memory sections.
Initiating the memory reallocation sequence for Voyager 1 now.
And on April the 18th, 2024, the process of transferring the data began, which required significant time. After sending the signal, the team had to wait 22.5 hours for it to reach the spacecraft, and another 22.5 hours for a response. By April the 20th, the team confirmed the success of the operation, and after 5 months, scientists were able to restore communication with Voyager 1 and verify its functionality. These malfunctions remind us that the lives of our cosmic travelers are nearing their end. NASA hopes the Voyager instruments will function until 2025, after which a phased shutdown will begin. In a few years, the spacecraft will lose the energy needed to communicate with Earth. Likely around the 50th anniversary of the mission, this will mark the final chapter of this project. Even after losing contact, these cosmic travelers' journeys will continue. They may witness many fascinating phenomena, though they'll no longer be able to tell us about it. Voyager 1 is moving away from us at a speed of about 3.5 astronomical units per year. 1 astronomical unit is the average distance between the Sun and Earth. Approximately 93 million miles, or 150 million kilometers. Voyager 1 is currently heading towards the constellation of Eucus in the year 4272. 38,200 years from now, it will approach within 1.7 light-years of a little-known star in the constellation Ursa Minor called AC+79. Its twin Voyager 2 is leaving the solar system at a speed of about 3.1 astronomical units per year. Around 40,000 years from now, it will approach within about 1.7 light-years of a star named Ross 248, a small star in the constellation Andromeda. Currently, Voyager 1 is approximately 15.5 billion miles away from Earth, while Voyager 2 is 12.4 billion miles away. Although they passed the Sun's heliopause long ago, it's not entirely accurate to say the Voyagers have fully exited the solar system. Scientists believe the solar system encompasses everything within the Sun's gravitational influence. Today, it's hypothesized that the final frontier of this influence is the Oort cloud, a hypothetical spherical region surrounding the solar system, which serves as the source of comets that periodically enter our planetary system. The Oort cloud includes 2 distinct regions, the spherical outer Earth cloud and an inner disc-shaped region. The estimated distance to the outer edge of the Oort cloud from the Sun ranges from 50,000 to 100,000 astronomical units, equivalent to the distance light travels in a year. Voyager 1 will take approximately 300 years to reach the inner edge of the Oort cloud, and possibly around 30,000 years to traverse it, marking its ultimate departure from the solar system. If on their distant journeys the spacecraft encounter extraterrestrial life, they're equipped with messages prepared by a team of scientists. These include a phonographic record on a gold-plated copper disc. About 3/4 of the recordings are music. The disc also contains greetings in various languages, messages from the US President and UN Secretary General, sounds of Earth human voices, whale songs, brainwave recordings, and more. It would be plenty for the aliens to occupy themselves. But if the Voyagers are never discovered, they'll continue drifting peacefully through the dark, cold, interstellar void. They remain a symbol of humanity's quest for knowledge, and a reminder to the universe of the ambitions and hopes of the inhabitants of a small, pale blue dot. Stay tuned here to keep up with all the exciting things happening in our universe. Thank you for watching.